Hello everyone, my name is Nikshit Sangme Sajjan. I am studying in class 3A from MG School for Excellence. Today's topic is static electricity. During my summer holidays, my friends had played a trick on me. They took a plastic ruler, rubbed it to my dry hairs, and kept it over some small bits of paper. Then he lifted the scale and showed me that the papers had clung to the surface of the scale. Then he explained me a word called static electricity. During my winter holidays, I was wearing a silk kurta. That time I experienced a shock with a weird sound. On my mother's explanation, I encountered a word called static electricity. So let's have fun with static electricity. For this, we need a PVC pipe, sand, and all the materials given below. On rubbing fur to the plastic pipe, quick and fine sand flying reaction. On rubbing cotton to the plastic pipe, no reaction. On rubbing nylon to the plastic pipe, fine sand flying reaction. On rubbing rayon to the plastic pipe, quick and fine sand flying reaction. On rubbing wool to the plastic pipe, quick and fine sand flying reaction. Actually, this is also fur material. On rubbing fur to the plastic pipe, sand flying reaction observed. Observation: velvet no reaction, cotton minimal reaction, nylon sand flying reaction, rayon fine sand flying reaction, wool quick reaction of sand flying reaction, fur quick reaction of sand flying reaction, and sticking to the pipe. Thank you.